This is my bike check update on my Eastern Dragon. This is 2010. Start up in the front. Got some odyssey long neck grips. No bar ends. Got some S&M Perfect 10 bars with a scavenger sticker. Colt Salvation stem top load. Pretty nice. Down here got some Shadow vultas forks. A teal wall FAF tire, Primo Versus rim, a Primo N4 FL flangeless female hub, Primo spokes, and I rod my Eastern Dragon frame, low profile. Got a Shadow slimmer seat, animal pivotal post, Odyssey C512 sprocket, Odyssey Bluebird chain, Odyssey Trail Mix pedals, and profile cranks, hollow bolts and hollow spindle. Yeah. The back on the FAF fly rim, pretty sweet with all the holes. Primo mix hub with Primo spokes, and yeah, that's my bike check. Comment. Yeah, my bike's pretty sweet.